If you're looking to design a high-converting booking page and practice better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk through the process, giving you actionable steps that will help you increase conversions and make your booking process smoother. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also reveal a powerful alternative that might even give you better results. First off, when setting up your booking page and practice better, it's crucial to optimize the user experience. Make sure the page loads quickly and is easy to navigate. This is your first impression, and a slow or cluttered page can quickly drive potential clients away. A simple, clean layout is key to ensuring your visitors stay engaged long enough to book. Next thing you want to focus on is the overall design. Practice Better does give you a lot of flexibility with colors, fonts, and logo placement, but the trick is making sure that these choices align with your brand. You don't want anything too flashy or distracting. Keep it professional and welcoming. Use your brand colors strategically to guide users through the page without overwhelming them. And don't forget to make sure your logo is placed in a way that reinforces brand identity without stealing the show. The third thing you need to consider is the booking options. In Practice Better, you can offer different types of appointments, packages, or even group sessions. But here's where it gets tricky. You need to clearly communicate the value of each option. Don't just list your sessions with vague names like consultation or package one. Use descriptions that explain the benefits of each service and why they're worth booking. You can even add testimonials or reviews to help provide social proof. Next, let's talk about the CTA, your call to action. Practice Better has a solid built-in system for this, but many people overlook the power of a well-worded CTA. Make sure the button stands out on the page, and don't just say, book now. Use action-oriented language like, reserve your spot, or get started today. It's all about creating a sense of urgency while also maintaining clarity. The fifth thing to focus on is customization and flexibility. Practice Better's booking system offers great features, but you'll want to customize the booking form to ask for just the right information. You don't need to overwhelm clients with a 10-field questionnaire, but you do need enough information to give a personalized experience. Practice Better's form fields are flexible, so tailor them to your services. Now, I know you might be thinking, but what about Practice Better compared to other tools? Well, it does a great job for health professionals, coaches, and therapists. However, when it comes to sheer customization and ease of use for things like adding multiple services or detailed scheduling preferences, there are other competitors in the market that can offer a smoother experience. Which brings me to the next thing, alternatives. After testing multiple booking tools, I found that there are options that not only offer the same features, but also add unique benefits. These alternatives might even boost your conversion rate with easier setup and more intuitive customization, making them better choices for anyone aiming to design a truly high-converting booking page. Now, if you're ready to take the leap and try Practice Better for yourself, I've got some great news. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, only available to our viewers. But before you make a final decision, I've also added some amazing alternatives to consider, each with their own free trial, because the best booking page is the one that works best for you. So, check the description for all the details and start designing a high-converting booking page that truly works for your business.